Hey all the future assistant professor, welcome back to English Minglish by Pooja Singh. I know you all are eagerly waiting for the UGC NET result June 2025. See, I know you are anxious. I know the paper was lengthy. I know the paper was difficult. I know, I do understand each and every point of view. But, as I already told you, that and since the examination has been over, I am getting a hell lot of comments, messages, DMs like I have got this many marks, my category, will I qualify for NET, JRF or PhD, what are the chances. I do understand, we get panic, right? But everybody knows, and I have already made a video on that your NET result, expected result date would be either end of July or the first week of August based on past 2 years of analysis. What I am telling you to do is, don't panic. That examination has already been ended, right? Examination ends. You better know what you have done in your examination, how much marks you are getting in. You had seen your score response sheet, right? So what my point of telling you all these things, that please now don't panic, don't search, don't refresh all the time that NTA UGC NET, don't search for it. That NTA result will be there. It will come, and the moment it will come, I'll be the first one to inform you that go check your result. Result is live. But as of now, just understand this thing. Whether you have qualified for PhD or NET or JRF, in all the three cases, you have to study. Once you have qualified for PhD, you have to go for the research. Then also you need to study all the same things again. When you are qualified for NET, again you have to study for the JRF, right? Or if you want to go for the interviews, you will be preparing for in-depth knowledge. Again, in that case also you have to study. And since if you have qualified for JRF, that's wow factor, then also you have to go for the research work again. Again, you have to make the in-depth strategy, critical thinking, analytical thinking of the characters, Shakespeare, William Wordsworth, British literature, literary criticism, and your interest of area, right? So in these three cases, आपका पढ़ाई करना तो नहीं छूटने वाला है. If you are thinking कि मेरा ये नेट क्लियर हो गया, PhD क्लियर हो गया, JRF क्लियर हो गया, मेरे को पढ़ाई छोड़ देना होगा, no, that is not going to be in the case. So why to worry now? जो आप ये जुलाई का जो मंथ है उसको वेस्ट मत कीजिए. डोंट वेट फॉर द ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन. प्रिपेयर फॉर द December 2025. That is very necessary. That is because since I have got a lot of messages and this is not humanly possible for me to reply everyone. That is why I made a dedicated video for this. No marketing, no gimmick, nothing. Just please don't run behind the result. Result जब आएगा आ जाएगा, वो हो चुका है. You cannot change it, right? So better shift your focus on paper 1, paper 2. I have already made dedicated videos and I'm posting daily videos on that. For paper 2 English and for paper 1 all the units. Work on weak areas and make sure your strong areas are getting stronger and strongest day by day. So that was it. Don't wait for the result. That moment it will come, I will come live and I'll tell you go and check your result. So this was it. Thank you. Signing off. Pooja Singh. Bye bye. Take care.